Pool leaks can seriously mess up your chill time and rack up your water bill if you're not careful. Okay, so first, you gotta inspect all the plumbing and pool equipment. Look for drips or wet spots around pipes, pumps, and filters because leaks love to hide there. Next, check the pool shell for cracks or chips, especially near the waterline or steps. A simple way to spot sneaky leaks is by using leak detection dye. Just squirt it near suspicious areas and watch if it gets pulled away fast. If you find any damaged parts like cracked pipes or broken fittings, don't just ignore them. Either repair them or get replacements as soon as possible. Also, keep an eye on water levels overnight. If it drops more than a quarter inch, that's a red flag. Remember to turn off the pool pump when testing so water isn't circulating and messing with your results. Lastly, don't forget to check the skimmer and main drains because they can also develop leaks that go unnoticed until things get worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pool leaks is ignoring early signs like small cracks or slow drips, which only makes repairs costlier down the road. The fix? Stay proactive and do regular inspections so you catch problems early. Another common issue is not shutting off the pump when testing for leaks, which gives false readings and wastes time. Just turn it off during tests to get accurate results. Lastly, many folks try to patch leaks with quick fixes that don't last, leading to bigger problems later. Instead, invest in proper repairs or replacements done by someone who knows pools well. BigHomeProjects.com is your go-to spot for finding trustworthy local contractors who get the job done right without stress. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to connect with homeowners looking for experts like you to tackle their projects.